Hey guys, welcome to 2017 MCAT preparation merit or excellence question. This is looking at question number 15, which was sent by another viewer. So the question is, the area of the right angle triangle in this diagram is given by that lovely looking quadratic. The length of the base is 2x minus 1 and the height h. I was supposed to write height h is there. What is the height in terms of x? So guys, as usual, pause this question, see what you can do, and then after that I'll actually go through the answer. Alright, I'm assuming you've had a crack at this. If you thought of factorizing the area, you were on the right track. But let's have a look at how to actually do this particular question, alright? So we know that area of the triangle can be written as half multiplied by base multiplied by height. Now in this particular case we know what the base is. The base is actually 2x, where we got base is equal to 2x minus 1, and we're actually trying to figure out what the height is. Now what we also know is what the area is, because we know that the area equals to that. So I'm going to rewrite area as 6x squared plus 5x minus 4 over 2 equals half multiplied by the base, which in this case is 2x minus 1, multiplied by height. Now, I can also rewrite, there's a couple of ways of doing this. Both of these terms are being divided by 2. So I can actually get rid of the 2's, so the halves actually disappear, and I can rewrite it so that the numerator equals the right hand side numerator. So the left hand side numerator is 6x squared plus 5x minus 4, and that equals to the right hand side numerator. So we've got 2x minus 1 multiplied by h. So what we need to do is we need to factorize this quadratic here. So we need to factorize 6x squared plus 5x minus 4. Now, if you are dealing with a question like this, I am going to show you guys how to do the long way of factorizing, but I'm also going to give you a couple of shortcuts as well. So with the long way, this is a useful way to know with factorizing is this. If you have 6x squared plus 5x minus 4, you find out two numbers that multiply to negative 24. And the same two numbers adding to 5. Now the way I got negative 24 is I actually took 6 multiplied by negative 4 to get negative 24. So the two numbers in this case would be positive 8 and negative 3. Positive 8 and negative 3 also adds up to 5. So my quadratic, I'm going to rearrange this as 6x squared plus 8x minus 3x minus 4. Now I need to factorize this. So I kind of have to group factorize. So I'm going to split this up. And what I have is 6 and 8. I know the common factor is 2. X squared and x, the common factor is x. So I'm going to get x, not x, 3x. 3x plus 4. And then on the left hand side I can see that negative 1 is a common factor, which means I'll get 3x plus 4 inside here. So when I factorize this, you can see that I get 2x minus 1 multiplied by 3x plus 4. So we can actually say that the height equals 3x plus 4. Now that's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is this particular method. Now we already know what one of the factors is, alright, because it was given to us. One of the factors was actually 2x minus 1. And we know that this is going to be a quadratic, so we can actually rewrite this as something like ax plus b. All right, because we know this is going to be a quadratic and it's going to have that format. But here's the thing. What we know is that 2x multiplied by ax should equal to 6. So if we do 2x times ax, that should equal to 6x squared. So we can actually say therefore a equals to 3. And then you look at the last two terms. So you've got negative 1 multiplied by b equals negative 4. So we can say that -1 multiplied by b equals -4. Therefore, b is equal to +4. So what we now have is we have ax plus b, because a is equal to 3. So we got 3x plus b, we figured it out because that's actually 4. And that's basically it. That's another way of doing this, is to actually work out what the other factor is in this quadratic. And that's our height. So basically when we go back here, we know that now we can write 6x squared plus 5x minus 4 equals 2x minus 1 multiplied by 3x plus 4. So we can write the statement, therefore height is equal to 3x plus 4. So a couple of ways of doing this, guys. Hope it helped, but that's basically it for this session here. As usual, just if you have any questions, pop it in the comments below, and tune in next time for another question. What else? Oh, of course, feel free to share this to your classmates and your friends as well. That's basically it. Thank you for watching.